Today I'm working on a 2015 Chrysler 200. And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be changing the headlight bulb in the passenger side. And all you need for this is a flathead screwdriver, and also you need to rotate the tire. We're in the passenger side. We rotate the tire, and all we have to do is look right in here. You see that little box right there? That's an access panel that you could get in there to get the light bulb out. Now right in the top, right up here, right in the top, right there, all you're gonna do is your flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna rotate it, and this is gonna come down. So all you do is put your flathead screwdriver there and try to rotate it. There you go. Once you rotate it, all you have to do is just push this down, and once you push it down, right inside there, all you have to do is just rotate that. There you go. Take this out. Once you take this cover out, you're gonna see the light right in there, and you're gonna rotate the light in order to get it out. Now that you rotate it and it came out, all you have to do is, you see this tab right in the top, right here? All you gotta do is push it up. You push it up, right here, and your light bulb comes out. All I did was raise this little thing up right here and pull it out. Now to put the new one, see this little clip right here? You want to make sure that it goes in that gray part. All you do is just push it in, and you hear it click. Now when you put the light bulb, you're gonna put it in the hole. Let me see if I can show you the hole in there. That's the hole in there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the light bulb in there, and all you have to do is rotate it. So there it goes. Once you rotate it, you move it around to see if it's in there, and now what we're gonna do is put the cover. Here's our cover. And you see that the cover has a little hole right here, and all we have to do is just find where that hole is at and put it in. We can look in there and see how it's put in. It's nice and tight. All we have to do now is just put this cover in, and all we have to do is just raise it up. Once we raise it up, all we have to do is just close this right here with the screwdriver, and you have replaced your light bulb on your 2015 Chrysler 200. So let's see if it's working. So here we go. The light is working. So we have completed changing this light bulb on this 2015 Chrysler 200. So once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below, or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.